Yo, this is how you make kimchi jjigae.
David, can I have a...
Who's that?
Oh my God, carry it.
Try it.
Cheers. You had it in your mouth.
Today we're going to be making some
Kimchi jjigae.
one of our favorite foods, and Chris brought some of his kimchi that he made for me.
Brought it all the way from Philly to Seattle.
Philly kimchi, and it's pretty
Pretty fermented, yeah.
When you have kimchi that's super fermented, that's like the perfect kimchi for kimchi jjigae. So
Honestly, I wanted to knock something out faster today, like kimchi fried rice, kimchi pancakes. She's like, no, everybody does that. Let's do kimchi jjigae. I was like, all right.
it's better.
Yeah.
Okay, so we have some garlic and onions. We're gonna saute that up real quick.
Got it. Since we had no knife action, can I just, should I cut some? No?
You want to?
Just for B-roll, you know, just like.
Yeah. Chris is gonna slice some onions for me.
I got a flex on them one time.
Right?
Yeah. I did all that just for that little piece, you know.
He's gotta show
That
the
was
lady.
sale, yeah. So high heat.
Just a little bit of oil.
A little bit of oil, some onion, ooh, and some garlic. See this right here? Ooh-wee.
Made with love.
Made with love.
We're gonna add our kimchi. I'm excited to try Chris's kimchi.
Do you like fresh kimchi or do you like fermented kimchi?
I like all kimchi.
Yeah. Want to taste it?
Yeah.
It's pretty sour. Actually, more on the sour side. 조금 너무 익었어.
It's good though.
I did that, boy. Good.
I'm gonna put some sugar in.
Sugar, okay.
And some gochugaru, because I like my kimchi jjigae spicy.
Yeah.
You wanna cut up
Tofu,
the tofu
yeah.
for me?
Good.
Okay, we added our tofu. We're gonna now add some water. Okay, we're gonna add a little bit of gochujang in there to make it even more spicy.
Yeah. Woo. I don't usually add gochujang, but I'm excited because you're like, I want it even more spicy, so I'm with it.
And then we have, this is hondashi.
Hondashi, yeah.
Chris recommended it. I don't use hondashi. I usually use beef dashida, which is a beef bouillon, beef flavoring.
Yeah.
So same thing.
This is a Japanese version, more fishy.
Then we're just gonna let this boil.
Yeah.
I also love using kimchi juice.
Ooh. So you always cook for your daughter. That's how you know, like blew up. And I love that, you know, like I don't think no one's actually doing it on your niche, you know? If you don't mind me asking, what's your favorite food that your mom cooked for you growing up?
Korean food.
I know, but like what?
Oh, what?
Yeah.
I love her kechori, which
Kechori?
is steamed crab.
Oh, what?
Yeah, but she was so good at everything. The
Yeah.
best thing about my mom was like she doesn't cut corners. So she picked the prettiest vegetables.
Yeah.
You know, no little,
Yeah.
nothing left behind. Everything is double washed.
Yeah.
That's what I loved about her, because she cooked like everyone was watching all the time.
Yeah.
You know, no cutting corners.
Yeah.
Everything was just with love, you know.
Honestly, I make fire kimchi, but like when our moms make it, the gochugaru has to be from Korea.
Yeah.
You know what I mean?
It has
Like,
to be a certain color.
yeah,
It has
it-
to be a certain heat.
Exactly.
Yeah.
Or sometimes they even get the pepper, dry it, take it to the pangaka and I mean, it's just so much love. Even like if you samgyeopsal, they'll go to the garden, pick out the, you know, cucumbers, pepper and all that, you know, like.
My mom had her own garden. Same thing, you know? Yeah.
Honestly,
so
I'm like, yo, just get it from H-Ma, you know, and she's like,
Yeah.
you know, Miss Seki,
It's not
shut
the
up.
same.
Yeah.
yeah. How about you?
What do I like from my mom? I like all her kimchi stuff. She's really good with the kimjang. I just like, what did I like growing up? I can't think of it on top of my head, to be honest, you know?
You asked me.
No, but my mom is a fire, like, so my dad's known as a chef, but I really like my mom's food better. Like, she always go organic, like
Yeah.
everything's super organic. Like from her doenjang jjigae. I don't know, just everything, her soups, you know, like.
Yeah, everything. Same here.
Yeah.
I just miss my mom.
Yeah, I know.
My mom's cooking.
Yeah.
That's
Oh, but-
why I like hated cooking at first, because I'm like, it's not gonna be the same, you
Yeah.
know? But it is what it is.
as more we cook, we get better. I think that's the
Right.
experience too. Like
Right.
even when I'm cooking for my son, honestly, I just like to eat fast, you know, like cook fast, eat fast, but now I have a son. I don't want to cut corner. Everything has to be organic too, you know, like. Yeah, I'm just gonna ask some.
Yeah. Do it. It's not even spicy.
Yeah. So act like you're. Who's that?
Oh my God, carry it.
Try it.
Yeah, please.
It's not ready, but
I just,
you can still try
yeah.
it.
You know what? Let's go.
Yeah. Just go down with the more or what?
More it cooks, the better it is. If anything, after tomorrow, you cook it again, it gets better.
When are you gonna be done?
In like 5 minutes. Will you get us a bowl of rice? I think they have it. Sir, kind sir.
Chuseo.
David, can I have a plating bowl?
That's a lot of damn rice.
We're gonna eat from the pot.
Okay. We're gonna eat all that?
No, we're not gonna eat everything, but it has to look like good.
Oh, okay.
So it's ready. We've been cooking this for about 10-15 minutes, and now it's time to eat. All right, Chris, you ready for?
I'm ready.
Let's have some lunch.
Let's do it. Hot.
I like to just scoop a little
You
bit.
like to scoop and mix it? Cheers. You had it in your mouth.
Let me get a better.
Cheers.
Cheers.
Whoa. This is how real Koreans eat it. Same pot,
We share.
triple dip, 100
Triple
dip.
hundred.
You know what I mean?
Yep.
Like,
More flavor, baby.
we did it, right? And this is actually really good without all the, without any protein. So I had a good time. Honestly, we're pretty damn tired. We've been cooking all day, but I'm glad we made this happen. You made it happen. Honestly, I was gonna, I'm like, you're like, come on.
He's like, I need to leave.
Yeah.
I've been cooking all day.
But I'm glad we made it happen.
I had to cook with him.
I appreciate it. Make sure to follow Jessica at
Sulhee Jessica, SULHEE JESSICA.
and we're out. Yabba sale. Let's go.